Hello Avishya fans and handloom saree lovers. Today in our handloom saree stories section, we are going to be looking at Assam Cotton Sarees. The northeastern region of our country has got beautiful weaves emanating from the different states of the region, whether it is Mizoram, Assam, Manipur. Different parts of the northeast have got their own beautiful traditions of weaving and very distinctive designs. Today we look at the Assam Cotton Sarees. They've got very specific designs and weaves. Let's take a look at them. Now let's take a look at this beautiful, bright and shiny, lovely yellow Assam cotton saree. Wow, it's really bright first of all. The body of the saree, on the yellow you can see a red, there is a brown, there is a green, and all of it has got a very exotic looking motif. This is nothing but the famous rhinoceros, one-horned rhinoceros. It's called Gor in Assamese. It's the state animal of Assam. Carried out and it's woven in such a skillful way, beautifully. They've captured the one horn, the big body and the tail of the rhinoceros. Everything is captured so well. Now let's come along to the pallu of the saree. The pallu is yellow. It's got beautiful motifs again. You can see some few more of the Gor motifs there. There is also a man riding horseback. And on both edges, beautiful, lovely temples or ferns as you can call them. It's in red. And edged by on both sides, it's got a lovely formation, circular floral motifs, beautiful weaving. It's really nice. And the look of the saree, the way the motifs are woven, the color combinations is very special and it's very typically Assamese cotton. The blouse is a plain sunshine yellow blouse and same border is there on the blouse. Same similar bright sunshine yellow blouse, which goes very nicely along with the saree and the pallu. Now let's take a look at this beautiful pink, rose pink Assam cotton saree. I'll open out the saree for you. Beautifully woven booties all over the body. In blue, maroon, yellow, 3 colors all over the body. Beautiful. It contrasts so nicely with the pink. And of course the borders there. The borders are edged with lovely geometric motifs. Again, it's diamond and it's got a beautiful small floral motif. Temple shaped red formation with blue color, rectangular shapes inside. And both are encircled. Inside encircling a lovely small little floral booty is right in the middle in between the blue triangle. So it's a lovely geometric motif with a little bit of floral there. And the same border is continued in the bottom also. It's a gorgeous pallu. Same contrast blue is woven on the pallu. Again the similar formation which is there on the borders. Same kind of a V-shaped formation with diamond shapes inside. A lovely little floral motif on both sides of the V. Very distinct. As you can see, this kind of art is not seen in any other part of the country. It's very special to Assam. A separate blouse piece for this. Beautiful pink. And the edging is a similar edging which is there in the border. And it sets off nicely against the pallu. So it's a beautiful pink Assam cotton saree. Now let's take a look at this beautiful greyish green Assam cotton saree. I'll just open out the saree for you. As you can see, the entire body has got beautiful, lovely floral motifs throughout the body in different colors. There are green motifs, there are yellow motifs, there are bright red motifs and black motifs. So multicolor motifs are there. And what's more beautiful is these motifs, the floral motifs are so cute because they are in different sizes also. It's very nice. And the borders are very bold. There's a bold red motifs across both borders. Diamond green motifs in between very tiny little red booties and edged by alternating red and yellow booties. Lovely border. I'll now open out the pallu and show you. Lovely, colorful red pallu with grayish green weaving. Also black grayish green motifs. All diamond shaped geometric motifs. The same pattern, the border of the saree is repeated on both sides of the pallu. And on both the ends of the pallu, you can see these spear-like motifs, almost like temple motifs or spear motifs on both sides, which gives it a very, very special look. Definitely, we cannot miss the tassels. All the tassels are beautiful. Multicolored tassels in red, in yellow, in black, in green. Beautiful tassels all along the edges of the pallu. The blouse is a plain grayish green, the body color, and the blouse has got the edging. Lovely edging. Same border edging is there on the blouse. So this is wonderful. What's more beautiful is as the fabric is really nice. It's very soft and supple. The cotton, even though it's not silk, it's got a sheen. It's got a glimmer and sheen, and very light and very, very nice to drape and wear. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for being with us. And if you want to take a closer look at this Assamese cotton saree, or you want to take a look at the entire collection, please come over to our store. The Avishya store is now open at TTK Road, Alwarpet. And you can come here, have a look at the wonderful collection of all handloom sarees. And in particular, we have a lovely collection of Assamese cotton sarees. Please come over and take a look. Thank you.